going on, guys?
What up?
Today I'm going to be fulfilling my fantasy of becoming a ricer.
Yep.
We're going to be putting a NRG steering wheel into the 98 BMW M3.
You don't really want to mess with M3s, you know, they're classics.
But we're not going to ruin it at the same time because it's an M3. You don't want to ruin M3s, there's not a lot left. You know, they're kind of classics, but yeah, well, you know. Drift is life, you know. Okay, first thing you want to do is unplug the battery. I don't have to because this isn't even fucking connected, so I'm just gonna fucking swear a lot because fuck it. Then we're gonna take a T30 Torx and we're gonna take off the 2 screws on the back. This will make it so that the airbag comes off, because who needs airbags? Not me. Okay, both screws are loose. Now this just pops out. And unplug all this shit.
Wait, is that the right wire?
Dude. Okay, now you want to get the steering wheel kind of straight. And take a 16? Yep, 16 millimeter socket. And a 3/8 ratchet because I'm a beast. Most of you little plebs are gonna need breaker bar for this. Not me.
Whoa.
Didn't know you bought tickets to the gun show, did you?
You're gonna have to age restrict this video.
Alright, it's straight. So I'm gonna pull it off. Like so. Look at my shoddy wiring over here. What is that for? Oh, this is for the horn. Alright, this is for the horn. Oh, fuck.
No.
That sucks. Okay, so since this car is a fucking classic, you know, and you don't want lights on the dash, in order to get the airbag light to go away, don't try this at home. You want to get 2 resistors.
Hey, yo. All you're gonna hear in the camera is you chewing that gum.
Yeah. I literally thought of that right when you said that. 2 resistors. I'm not sure what numbers they are, but it's a brown, black, and a gold stripe. 2 of them together across the 2 wires. Just like that. Bam. Turns off the airbag light. Well, you'll have to delete the code with a scanner, but it'll stay off. Well, I'll put that on after. Alright, the first thing we're going to do, we're going to take the hub with the NRG symbol facing up. We're going to put it on to here as straight as we can. And throw the nut back in. Okay. Okay. Figured that out. So pretty much I got this yellow wire going to this brown and red wire, and this black just goes to the ground, which is right here. So we'll tidy that up a little bit in a second. So we got some wire, got some assorted connectors, butt connectors, and a something connector. We're just going to extend these wires a little bit, make it a little bit better to work on. Okay, there's that wire extended. This is also a T30 right here. This is just a good ground spot for the horn, because I want a working horn so I can beep at motherfuckers. Okay, now that is connected. Now I got the 2 wires right here. So this is the ground, so I'll just attach this straight to the ground right here. I gotta put the wheel on first. You gotta put the wheel on first before you fucking attach these. So, put this little ring-a-bob on. Take a screw.
Wait, does the horn button go in between the ring-a-bob and the steering wheel?
Alright, this is what we'll do. We'll put this on and hold it in place with one screw. Babe Nate, y'all. Okay, that's held in place. And then we'll take this. Shit, I gotta extend it a little bit more because I suck. Okay, now that's all wired up. And it works, surprisingly. And now I'm gonna actually be able to see my fucking check engine light.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I noticed that was nice when I was shopping.
It's not turning. What the fuck? How is that supposed to work? Doesn't.
You just unplugged it. Just unplugged it.
So, for some reason these wires aren't turning like they're supposed to, or this thing's not turning. So, the wires all get all bunched up inside of here and tangled up and whatnot for the horn. So I'm just gonna extend this a little bit longer right here so that, you know, it'll fucking, I don't know, it'll just get tangled up and rat's nested in there, but it'll still work ish. Fucking mint fix right here. So I'm just heat shrinking my my little resistors in here. Fucking goddamn shrink. That ain't going anywhere. Tuck it into here. Tuck her on in. Take our little plastic shit. Stick her on. There she blows.
You already know what it is! If this was the most insane steering wheel installing video you've ever seen, smash that fucking like button, bruh! Smash it!
I'm gonna go buy a vape now, since I am a real racer. Okay, that's a problem.
What? No!
No. Oh, no, dude. Fuck.
Holy shit. Who the fuck does that?
What the fuck, dude? How is it like that?
Oh my god.
No.
What the hell? Is something touching?
I swear to...
What the fuck does... Where's the fucking naked wire?
I don't know. It must be.
Dude, it's up here somewhere. It's up here. It's gotta be up here somewhere.
Fuck!
Yeah, so this was the most insane steering wheel install video.
Most bullshit one. That's what I'm saying. I thought this was gonna be way easier. Fucking. You know, just doing it wrong. Is there instructions?
This horn was so fucking loud. Oh, that's good. Is that like... Oh, yeah. Sick.
Guess I'm doing a horn delete. Okay, wheels on. I did a horn delete because couldn't figure out the fucking wiring. But we're gonna add one more finishing touch to this.
If it wasn't racy enough, let's get that carbon fiber on there.
Fucking carbon fiber emblem, bro. That's so dope.
Weight reduction.
Yeah, dude.
Is it the right size?
Yeah.
Maybe not put that shit on crooked.
Dude, fuck off. Uh-oh.
Oh, you fucked her. Oh, I think you can wiggle.
Yeah, you
anyway.
can spin it. Alright.
Woo! Sick.
Look at that, dude. Brand new.
That's pretty mint.
Now it's a race car.
No, it is a race car.
I'm gonna go take it to Lime Rock right now. And yeah, we'll see you guys there. So we're out here at Lime Rock. Fantastic day.
Fucking made it, man.
Yeah.
What was that, like 30 minutes?
Yeah.
It's not bad.
Yeah, not too bad of a drive. Yeah, car didn't pass tech, so I couldn't take it on the track, unfortunately, but hit some sick back roads on the way here, though. Felt fucking great, dude. That steering wheel.
Everything online said you just put an NRG steering wheel and then it's a race car,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
the guys at Tech said that wasn't true, so...
Yeah, I guess you need like a roll bar and like seat belts at work, and
What the fuck is that?
I don't know.
So, either way... We're all here. We're out here.
She's like, put me down.
Alright, if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends. Definitely subscribe for more, because once we land, we're definitely going to make more videos. We haven't really figured out how the fuck we're going to get down. This is kind of fucking sketchy, but yeah. See you guys in the next one.
Peace.
We're fucking retarded.
And when I die, make sure you spread my blood on a BMW. And when I die, make sure you spread my blood on a BMW.